Want to start trading gold and forex on MetaTrader 5 with your Bybit account? I'll show you how to set it up fast and easy. This tutorial works even if you're a complete beginner. Let's get started. First, go to bybit.com and sign in using your email and password. Once you're in, you'll land on your account dashboard. Next, at the top of the page, click on Trade, then select Gold and FX from the drop-down. This takes you to the MetaTrader 5 section. Now it's time to open your MT5 account. Click on Open MT5, enter your account password, and Bybit will generate your MT5 account ID and password. Make sure to copy them. Then open your MetaTrader 5 application, click on Settings on the side menu, and select Trade to add a new trading account. You'll now be in the Broker Search section. Search for Bybit and choose Bybit Infra Capital from the list. Finally, paste your account ID and password that Bybit gave you, then tap Login. You're now connected and ready to trade. Bonus tip: if your login fails, double-check that you copied the credentials correctly and make sure your MetaTrader 5 app is fully updated. And that's how to connect your Bybit account to MetaTrader 5 in just a few minutes. Now you can trade with full charting power and speed. Be sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more smart trading tips here on How to Tutor. See you next time!